In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add subpages in a Wix website. We'll walk through this directly inside the Wix editor, so make sure you're logged into your Wix account and have your site open in the editor before you start following along. Once you're inside the editor, look towards the left-hand side of your screen for the Pages section. You'll see a small arrow next to the word Pages. Go ahead and click on that arrow. This opens up a panel that shows all the pages currently on your site. Think of this panel as your site map, where you can see and organize the structure of your website. Next, in that same panel, look for the option that says Manage Pages. Click on Manage Pages. This will expand the view and give you more detailed control over how your pages are arranged. Here you can see each page listed out, as well as options to rename them, hide them, or reorder them. This is also where we're going to create our subpages. Now, in the list of pages, find the main page that you want to use as the parent page. A subpage is a page that lives under another page, so choose the page you want your new subpage to sit beneath. Once you've found it, move your mouse over that page name and look for the 3 dots icon, usually to the right of the page title. Click on those 3 dots. This opens a small menu with several options for that specific page. In the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Subpage and click on it. Wix will automatically create a new subpage under the page you selected. You should now see this new page slightly indented beneath the main page in your list, showing that it's a child page of that parent page. From here, you can rename the subpage to something meaningful like Services, FAQ, or anything that fits your site structure. You can also drag and drop it under different parent pages if you change your mind later. Remember that subpages often appear in drop-down menus in your site's navigation, so organizing them clearly helps visitors find what they need quickly. That's all you need to do to add subpages in your Wix website. By using the arrow beside Pages, opening Manage Pages, clicking the 3 dots, and selecting Subpage.